It was a sunny morning. The little boy was sleeping. His mother walked into the room. She smiled softly. "Good morning," she said. The little boy opened his eyes. He smiled happily. She packed a small bag. Then she brought the stroller. The little boy became excited. She placed him in the stroller carefully. "Park, park," he said happily. His mother laughed softly. Then they left the house together. The sun was bright outside. The sky was blue. Birds were singing in the trees. The little boy looked around happily, pointed at the birds too. His mother smiled warmly. Soon they reached the park. The park was big and colorful. Children were playing everywhere. The little boy became very excited. First, they went to the swings. His mother helped him sit carefully. The little boy laughed loudly. Then she pushed the swing slowly. The little boy laughed loudly. He loved the swing very much. Next, they went to the slide. The slide was tall and colorful. His mother helped him climb the stairs. The little boy slid down quickly. "Again!" he shouted happily. His mother laughed again. They played for a long time. Then they sat on a bench together. His mother gave him juice. She also gave him cookies. The little boy ate happily. The little boy felt sleepy now. The stroller moved gently. He rubbed his eyes slowly. Soon the little boy closed his eyes. He fell asleep peacefully. His mother smiled lovingly at him. Then they went home together. The mother opened the door, placed the boy on the bed. The mother enjoyed her coffee. It was a beautiful day at the park. The end.